This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by the Hair Clinic RX.
Having healthy hair, that's something I think most of us would agree is important. We want to keep our locks nice and lively. Sometimes, though, that's easier said than done. Thankfully, there are professionals that are happy to help. We'd like to introduce to you Brandy Nicole Wallace from Hair Clinic RX in Salisbury. She is a hair loss specialist and trichologist. Said that right? You could call yourselves the proactive hair care solution, right? So tell us a little bit about who you guys are and what it is you do.
Absolutely. So we are a hair loss restoration clinic where we provide hair restoration services. We have 3 phases. First phase is, of course, hair care.
Yes.
Hair care. When it comes to keeping the health of your hair, we start with scalp care. Second phase is hair restoration. That's someone that's in the process of losing their hair, thinning, shedding, and so we have multiple treatments that will help with that. And then our last phase, which is more so for the permanent or severe phase, and that is non-surgical hair replacements.
Yes. Now, trichologist. Break that down for me. What is that? What does that mean?
Yeah, so a trichologist, it just basically is someone that studies the hair and the scalp. We're really the bridge between your cosmetologist and your dermatologist. So we help really kind of just build that hair care, back to its normal state if possible.
Awesome. Yeah. Now, walk me through some of the hair loss, maintenance, and restoration process.
Absolutely. So when it comes to, the hair loss and maintenance, the first step is we, use a microscope. We need to see if those hair follicles are alive. We need to see the condition of the scalp. We check to see if there's any diseases or disorders in the hair and the scalp. And once we determine, the final factor and the diagnosis, then we come up with actually proper treatment plans. So that may include scalp care, products, supplements, or low laser therapy. So it's just multiple factors that we take in consideration and provide the proper treatments.
Now you're going to be visiting us on DelmarvaLife a lot more frequently, correct? With some hair tips.
Yes, yes.
Now the colder months are here.
Yes.
Maybe you're noticing that your hair feels a little bit drier these months.
Absolutely.
What should people be doing?
So right now they should definitely be using moisture conditioner. A lot of reconstructors, because the hair can actually get weakened. You'll experience a lot of shedding. You can actually also use hair supplements which we do provide that will help with shedding and actually moisturize the follicles, build up that sebum in the hair, and provide even natural moisture as well. So it's moisture, moisture, moisture. Yes. For the winter months.
Now, what kind of things can we expect to hear and learn in these hair tips?
Oh my God! So we're going to walk through like the phases. So we're going to talk about the phases of hair care, non-surgical hair replacements, and as hair restoration. So you're going to learn about how to really take care of the hair. Scalp care plus hair care equals healthy hair. And so a lot of people they eliminate the scalp part. They neglect the scalp part. And so in order to not go into the hair restoration phase, we're going to talk about a lot of scalp care.
Prevention is always step one.
Absolutely.
And I think the emphasis you guys have on patient education is really great as well. So how can people get in contact with you?
So you can just simply go to hairclinicrx.com.
Well, Brandy Nicole Wallace from the Hair Clinic RX, thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
Thank you.
And I'm excited to see what we're going to learn in the coming months.